Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials, and in today's really quick video, I'm going to show you how to drill a hole in the wall of your house with a dust catcher, a homemade dust catcher that will keep the mess from getting everywhere. Now all you need to make this dust catcher is any old piece of paper, just a regular old letter-sized piece of paper, it doesn't matter whether it's US letter or A4, and some masking tape. Now it's important that you use masking tape because you're going to need to attach it to a wall and be able to pull it off the wall without pulling the paint off your wall. Let's get started. Okay, now the only thing you need to do with this piece of paper is to bend it up from one corner, fold it, bend it up from the other corner, and fold it. Take a piece of the masking tape, it doesn't have to be a big one, rip it off and attach it there. Get the bottom of the fold, pull it up the point, put another piece of masking tape there, and tape that down. That's all there is to it for the dust catcher. This becomes the dust catcher. See that? Now we're going to need to take another piece of masking tape and pull it out about the width of the paper and put it half onto the paper and half not on the paper. See, it's extending beyond the paper itself right there. Now let's get started drilling a hole. Now I have my dust catcher here. We have the holes marked where we want to drill, and I'm going to simply apply the dust catcher to the wall like this and pull the little trough open like that. This means so that when we drill a hole above the dust catcher, the dust comes down into the trough and it's caught. It does not go on the wall below the dust catcher, and it does not go onto the floor below the dust catcher. This is great. Let's get started.
Hello, I'm Chad and I'm helping today. Unfortunately, I'm not left-handed, so this is going to be a
And notice how all the dust went down into the dust catcher. There you go. Is that all the drilling you need to do?
I think so. I got some electrical tape wrapped around the bit of my drill here.
Yep, that's no big deal though, but it's nice to have that little trash can right there, isn't it?
That's right. Very good.
So there you have it. You've got a way that you can have a nice, easy to make, almost free dust catcher that keeps you from making a mess whenever you have to drill a hole in your wall. Give us a big old thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post another great tutorial right here on David's Tutorials.